Hey guys, let's just change the mass airflow sensor. Go! My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you wanna see more E36 videos, hit subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. The idle in my E36 M3 is playing up. I have tried to exchange different things. I'm basically throwing parts at the problem at this point. And the next thing is the mass airflow sensor. So here we see the mass airflow sensor. Just twist, disconnect it. This city kind of screws is like one way screw in only, so use a plier to remove them. It came out like this. I don't know if orientation matters, but it's not symmetrical, so this where it says Bosch and the part number goes downwards. So this is the new one. This is just some eBay one because I do not know if this will solve my idle or not, so I don't want to spend like 500 euros to exchange to a factory one. First let's check with the eBay one. There is a playlist up in the cards showing all the components I exchanged so far related to this problem. So as you can see, this is pretty fast and easy exchange. I would suggest that if you think your mass airflow sensor is reading incorrectly or it's bad, that you ask around your group and see if someone can spare an hour of their time and pop their mass airflow sensors out, pop it into your car and check how it is running. If you want to see more E36 videos or just want to see all the repairs I do to this car to get back into a good state, then hit subscribe followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos.